Hi, my name is Alan Pecor, and today we are going to do a system review of the C-Astral Bramor PPX. As you can see, the Bramor comes in two cases. For this tutorial, we are going to focus on items in the top case. In the first section are the batteries for the Bramor airframe. Second are the spare cables and a weather station specific to our platform. Third is an area allocated for extra propellers. Fourth are two packed parachutes. Fifth is a GTAC ground control station tablet. In the sixth section, there is a camera lens for the Sony RX1R RGB sensor. Seventh is a ground control station relay. Eighth are the camera lens wipes. And ninth is a utility section consisting of wing tape, a 193 hex screwdriver, and directions for our sensors. Next is the body of the Bramor. When you lift it up and take it out of the box, you will see the wing spars, which are highlighted in red. Likewise, lift up the GTAC ground control station tablet, and you will find a hood cap for the RGB sensor, a hood cap for the Ultim sensor, which is specific to our platform, and directions for the Bramor, and a battery connection adapter cable, which is shown in here. Next is an image showing how to access the wing tab. In order to open it, simply pull down on the two slits found on the inner top of the case. And as you could see in the last image, here are where the two wings are, and here where the two wing tips are. And so by viewing this video, you now have a better idea about the items in the top case. For more complex training material regarding the C-Astral Bramor PPX, feel free to check out my online portfolio at alanpecor.blogspot.com. Thank you.